Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another job lead. Hey, I'm back with Motorola Solutions, guys. Motorola is currently hiring. When I type in my favorite word for remote, I find 246 open remote jobs. Connect with a career that matters. We're dedicated to designing and delivering the mission critical ecosystem our public safety and enterprise customers refer to as their lifeline, mission critical communication software, videos, and services. And if you're looking to search jobs, you can also click here, or you can click on any one of these tabs up top to learn more about the tabs. They also have an internship program. You can also click up top here to search jobs, and just scroll here to learn the values of Motorola. Our values, our company values, drive everything we do, both for our employees and our customers. More than just words, they are the traits that define us. And you can also click on this video here. In this video, will pretty much give you a rundown of their values. They're also inclusive. It says we foster an inclusive culture where diversity, fairness, and belonging are core to our business. Innovative. We innovate products and solutions that play an essential role in people's lives by keeping them connected and safe. They're passionate. We meet every challenge with energy and determination, always pursuing a higher standard. Driven, we focus on what matters most in order to seize opportunities and tackle challenges with speed and confidence. Accountability, they're accountable. We stand behind the work we do, the contributions we make, and the high business standards we maintain. Partners, we work with our customers to address obstacles before they become challenges, delivering solutions that keep communities safe and businesses running smoothly. So nothing is possible without our people. Explore their flip book. There's a flip book here that you can flip through, find out about the work that Motorola does, what it means to be a Motorolan. This is Motorola Solutions Life rewards and benefits. They offer flexible work models, equity recognition programs, and more to ensure valuable work is met with the reward it deserves. Leadership, we've been one of the ground in innovating to shape the world for more than 90 years. We'll never stop challenging ourselves to push boundaries. They have opportunities. We provide an environment of support and professional development, because when we are at our best, our customers be at their best. Community, we are in the business of saving lives, giving back to the community. We believe in creating a safer, more connected world for everyone. Their culture, we understand and embrace the belief that our differences are what makes us a team. Pushing boundaries and encouraging new ways of thinking. Join our team. We are a team driven by our purpose, helping people be their best in the most. We are a team driven by our purpose, helping people be their best in the moments that matter. If you share the passion, apply today. So, guys, at Motorola Solutions, inclusion is a mindset and diversity is an outcome. We view diversity as an innovation driver that helps us deliver the technology our customers depend on and embrace the belief that our differences make a stronger team. So, guys, this is why they do what they do. This is why what we do matters. As you could see, come to Motorola, guys. You could either view jobs at gettinghired.com, fully accessible for assistive technology to accommodate disability. You can also come in here and check out their internship program. It's an elite paid intern program designed with you in mind, because the next big idea can come from anyone at any time. If you need to be a full-time student, enroll in a post-secondary degree, or will return to school after 12-week program, intern starts each May. So you can come and learn more about that, guys. I will put the link to where you would go to apply for jobs at motorolasolutions.com/careers. And I will put that link in the description of this video. So, guys, Motorola is currently hiring. Just come over here, guys, and click on the search jobs, and you'll be able to find how many jobs are open for remote and how many jobs are open worldwide in office. So super congrats to anybody who gets one of these amazing roles. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, make it an amazing day for someone else. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I truly and sincerely appreciate you so very much. I love you guys. I thank you. You are the best. Share this video with anyone that you know that may be looking for a job, guys, and you just want to share the job lead. Thank you so much for all that you do. I see you. I will see you in the next video, friends. Thank you so much. Bye for now.